Hi there, Scott Melgren here with SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. We're one of our 2023 leftover Tige Z3s. One of our great deals we have going on right now. Save some money big on this 2023. All black with a black and brown interior. Set on a nice tandem axle trailer. It is equipped with the TAPS 3 surf system. It does have the camera as well as the surf exhaust. Got some nice seats that you can put up in the back there. And you can crawl up. It's got a nice little ski tow pylon. A little bit of a walkthrough so you don't have to walk on the furniture. Touch screen. Tige clear. You got a nice folding charger. Nice little cubby for some stuff. You got a nice dash. A nice bow area. This is an Alpha tower, so it is power with speakers and board racks on it. Built-in wastebasket there. This boat is rated for 16 people. And you can see these actually just fold right up. You can have it as a bed or as the seats. Storage underneath all the seats. You got big storage here. This seat actually lifts up as well. Subfloor storage access. Traditional nose with a pop-up cleats throughout. Does come with a nice bimini as well. So pretty well loaded. We've got this boat on clearance for just over $116 right now, which is a better price than a lot of the used ones I've seen on the market. So yeah, there you have it. If you have any further interest on this boat or any other boat we have on our website, please give us a call. We are happy to assist.